Shabbat Shalom. Today, I would like to encourage someone by talking about RED, R-E-D, restoring everything damaged. And Yah gave me this as I was studying up on the story of Lazarus in John, the 11th chapter. And the thing about it is, number one, Hamashiach decided to wait 4 days before he went to check on Mary and Martha in their time of what they considered to be mourning. And the reason is because in Hebraic customs, they had up to 3 days for the spirit to return to the body without it being considered a phenomenal event. Well, Hamashiach decided he was going to wait 4 days, longer than anyone has ever been gone, deceased, before coming back, to make sure that they understood who he is and was. Well, okay, he did that. And I just want to encourage someone, because it may appear as if it's taking a long time to receive that whatever it is you've been praying and asking Yah for. Well, he's making sure that you realize that you can't get it on your own, that you need his help, that you need him in a manner in which you've never needed him before. Secondly, once Hamashiach did get there to Bethany, to Mary and Martha's house, had the discussion with them too, and went to where Lazarus' body was laying. Well, then he spoke a word, and Lazarus came out. So I want to admonish you to remember the death and life are in the power of the tongue. You can either speak life into a situation, or you can speak death into a situation. The choice is yours. But see, when Lazarus came forth, even the grave clothes couldn't hold him back. So in other words, those attacks of the enemy that has been designed to hold you back, to keep you from getting everything that Yah has for you, it's not going to work. Isaiah 54:17 tells us that no weapon formed against us shall be able to prosper. So always remember that. Remind yourself of it when need be. So from this time till the next, Shalom.